Welcome back. As I told you, means if anyone asks you to handle exception, then how you will handle exception. So you have two way to handle exception. One, you know how to handle exception. Second, you don't know how to handle exception. If you know how to handle exception, then you will use try, catch, finally block. There is one cycle for exception handling, that is a try, then catch, and then finally block. Means you will write your code inside the try class, and after that you will take the result. If any exception will come in try, immediately your pointer will jump out of the try will be terminated, and it will go to catch block will take that exception and will show. In the same way, there in this cycle there are the last stage is finally block. What is purpose of this finally block? Suppose you are going to open some resource, means like a file, you are going to open inside a try block, or any database connection you are opening in try block. But before closing that resource, suppose some exception came, then entire try block will terminate and it will go to catch block. Then question will come to your mind, then who will close that resource which you have taken, which you have created. Now who will close the resource? Because until you will not close the resource, your program will not terminate properly. Then this closing resources we are doing inside the finally block. Finally block will ensure the proper termination of your program. All the resources which you are going to open in try block, you should close inside the finally block. So this is a complete cycle, try, catch, finally. This cycle you will use if you know how to handle exception. But if you don't know how to handle exception, then what you will do? Suppose you want to write your program and you don't have any idea how to handle exception. Then what you will do? How you will handle? So in that scenario, you will use throws. In that scenario, you will use throws. I will discuss this throws. This throws keyword I will discuss. Before that, see one small demo related with this. Suppose I have this example. Till now, inside the try block, I was writing my code. Now here, inside the try, you will write your code, and outside of try, you can write the catch. Then inside the catch block, you can take the exception. Suppose in this example, I am declaring a string s, but s is not having any value. But I want to print here size of that string. So what it will do? It will throw null pointer exception. So that exception, it will come to catch block and will display this result. In the same way here, if you will see, here if you want to write more than one catch block, with one try, you can write more than one catch block. Means in your program, if you are going to do multiple tasks, you are doing the mathematical task, array related task, multiple tasks, you can write multiple catch there in your program. So with the help of it, so what will happen? First, if exception will come, it will come to first catch. We'll see if it will not match, then it will come to next catch. And if it will not match, then it will go to parent level exception. So this is the complete hierarchy of your catch block. In the same way, if anyone asks you to go with the nested try block, means try inside and the try. See in this example I am using here try inside and the try. So if any exception will come inside the child try block, so first it will search inside the child catch. If it will not match there, then it will go to parent catch. If it will not match there, then it will go to main exception. So first child catch, then parent catch, then the main exception. This is hierarchy. So here means this time I hope how you will utilize the nested try. Don't worry, these all if you will go with my example, I will share my example in week 18, and there will be the exception and collection related example. So exception example, when you will open, and you will open my multiple catch, try, nested try, these all separate example I have given. So I am using there how these exceptions will occur, how exceptions will happen related with nested try. So this time I am expecting if anyone asks you how you will handle exception, so you are able to understand you can use try, catch, finally. That is a cycle. Now point number two, what with one try there can be multiple catch? Answer is yes. With one try you can use multiple catch block. Then third question, what we can write try inside and the try? Answer is yes. You can write. So here fourth question will come to your mind. So in nested try, how it will search for exception? Then first it will search for exception inside the child catch, then the parent catch, and after that it will go to system level catch. Means this is a complete hierarchy. So hope up to this stage you all are comfortable. So in next we will see the next part, how to handle exception in different way, or complete exception inside exception class, what are the details available. So hope comfortable. Thank